Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about cryptocurrency from time to time. Well, this coming week is earnings call. We had the market was closed on Friday due to Good Friday. And of course, today was Resurrection Sunday or Easter. We have three companies that I want to talk about reporting. We have Tesla, which will report on the 20th. So that'll be Wednesday. We have Bank of America, which will report tomorrow on the 18th. We also have Apple, which will report following week, the 28th. And then also we will have Netflix report this week. So we got a couple of stocks reporting this week, Netflix, Bank of America, and Tesla, okay? So if you don't know what earnings calls is, it's basically the companies come out and they tell how good they did the last 3 months in terms of how much revenue did they make, how much profit did they take, and did they beat Wall Street estimates? So in this case, you see JPM Chase reported fourth quarter earnings, $2.63 per share on the revenue, and the consensus estimate was $2.73. So JPM fell under the estimates of Wall Street, okay? But basically, companies this week will report how well they did and also how well they should do in the future. They'll give a forecast for the next coming 3-4 months expected. Okay, so let's talk about Bank of America really quickly. Bank stocks have slumped this week. There was bad outlook from JP about the rest of the year. Will we be headed into recession? As you can see, over the last 5 days, Bank of America stock has been down over 4%. And we'll see if they can come out of this. But I'm pretty sure the consumer are in good shape. Bank of America pretty much is reporting the consumer is in healthy shape. But in terms of the economy with inflation, I don't think any bank will give a positive outlook. In addition, the Fed has been raising rates. Okay, so again, Bank of America this week has been down over 4%. If you're in belief in the long-term picture of banks will recover, that once they figure out this inflation, I believe banks can recover. I believe Bank of America can get back to $45, $50 a share. But depending what happens on tomorrow after they report, as you can see, 8:30 a.m., once the market opens, pretty much an hour or two after, you'll either see the stock jump 5% or fall another percent or two. Okay, so that's Bank of America, led by Brian Moynihan. Again, Bank of America is one of the major banks like JPM Chase and of the likes. So Bank of America will report on tomorrow and let you know how much revenue they did for the quarter and give an outlook for the coming economy. Okay, so that's Bank of America trading at $37.57 per share. Next stock I want to talk about really quickly, Nucor. Nucor is a steel company. Nucor Corporation, a producer of steel and related products based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. And again, if you look at over the last 5 days, it's been up over 8.78%. That is Nucor. Okay, Nucor also is a great stock because they do pay a dividend of 1.21%. Again, anytime a stock pays a dividend, that shows some stability for the company. Okay, it has a 52-week low of $75 and has a 52-week high of $166. Okay, so look for Nucor if you can catch them on pullback, but I still think Nucor has a ways to go. There is a steel shortage. Okay, so check out Nucor. trading at $165 per share. Look for a pullback. If there's a pullback, there's a great opportunity to get into steel, Nucor, because they do pay a dividend and pretty much there's a steel shortage, okay? So that's Nucor. And really quickly, if you check out my Instagram, chili.nj, Instagram/chili.nj, you'll see that I post pretty much about some of the hot stocks of the week. I've got Nucor here. I've got Delta. Again, I've got Nucor. Again, I got Nucor for Wednesday last week, and then Tuesday as well. So if you can look back over my last 5 posts on my Instagram, you can see the hot stocks of the week before the week ends, okay? See the trend, Nucor, 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 Nucor. Okay, so those were the top. That was one of the hottest stocks this week was Nucor. All right, Tesla, again, going back to my earnings, Tesla will report on 4/20. Tesla, the last day was down, looks like over 3.66%. We did have a slight pop in Tesla. So if we look at over the week, Tesla did spike up to about $1,022. Again, Tesla does not pay a dividend, but it's still one of the hottest stocks of the year, okay? Elon Musk just opened the Austin, Texas factory. Some of the issue slowing down the stock is that they had closed the plant in Shanghai due to pandemic scare. So if you believe in Tesla, I believe in Tesla. Under $1,000 is a bargain, okay? I believe Tesla's reports on earnings on Wednesday will be great, and you're going to see this stock jump up back up over $1,000 per share, okay? So again, Tesla has a 52-week low of $546 and has a 52-week high of $1,200, okay? So I still think Tesla is a bargain at $985 a share. Also, the big news is Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, discussed buying Twitter. That was the end of the week. That was Thursday. Elon Musk talking about purchasing Twitter. So that was the news of the week. But as far as the numbers for Tesla, I believe Tesla's going to have a great earnings call. I believe they're going to blow past Wall Street expectations. And I believe that with the high gas prices, that more people are pre-ordering Teslas, Model Ys and Model S's and Model 3s, okay? So that's great news to know that Tesla's in the driving seat as far as EV. Even though they only have 2% of the current car market, Tesla, I believe, can take the highs again and get back up to over $1,200 per share. Okay, so that's Tesla. I'll expect after earnings the stock to pop up over $1,100 per share, but we'll see this Wednesday after hours what will happen with Tesla. Okay, so Tesla, again, led by Elon Musk here, will report earnings call this week, and also let investors know how they'll be doing for the rest of the year. They'll give their guidance and forecast. So that is Tesla. And let's see. Last stock I wanted to talk about is Netflix. Netflix stock is a great stock. I own it in a couple different portfolios. Netflix is down over the last week, 5%. They've been making a lot of blockbuster movies, also TV series. It says Netflix is a subscription streaming service launched in August of 1997. And it's pretty much at its 52-week low. I've not really seen this a lot. 52-week low of $329 is currently trading at $341. Again, we'll see if Tesla can start to rebound, okay? Netflix has a lot of great content and a lot of users, okay? So check Netflix out. We'll see. It is at its 52-week low. I expect Netflix to come out of this range of $329 to $350 per share. Again, Netflix previous quarter, they did forecast guidance lower but I think coming out of this quarter, their guidance is be more positive. Okay, so Netflix is scheduled to report on Tuesday, April 9th. Again, that's Netflix. Probably the number 2 or number 3 streaming service, Netflix Incorporated. Again, Netflix has a lot of great content. And again, they will report this week. You can always check Netflix out on YouTube pretty much. If you go to YouTube and you do a search of Netflix, let's say Q2 earnings, pretty much they'll do a YouTube broadcast. If you do want to catch what Netflix has to say, that's the cool part. Netflix is, let's see here, filter this year. And pretty much you can get Netflix earnings call maybe on Thursday or Friday. You will get a chance to see the Netflix call. Again, they'll have the CEO, the CFO discuss questions. Okay, here's the CEO of Netflix to discuss the current Q2 earnings for 2022. Okay, so that will be coming up this week. Here's a person asking questions about Netflix, but pretty much if you want to watch the previous earnings call and watch the earnings call this week, you can catch it on YouTube. Watch Netflix Q1 earnings for 2022. Okay, so if you want to catch the earnings call for Netflix, catch it on YouTube. Pretty much you'll find that here. Let's see, Q. Okay, so pretty much you can find Q1 earnings for Netflix. This is the previous one. This was January 2022. And the next one will be this week on April 19th. You'll catch the earnings call. And again, you'll have the CEO and CFO, and maybe here's the CEO talking about earnings call, how much revenue they did for the quarter. And again, Netflix is a great stock. It has a lot of upside to it. And it is probably, like I said, number 2 or number 3 streaming service that people like to have in their home. Okay, so that was just a quick video on earnings for this week. We have Tesla, Bank of America, and we have Netflix. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get some free stock, please use my Robinhood or use my Webull link below. And everybody have a great Sunday night. Good night.